Welcome back to Ag Day. Meteorologist Mike Hoffman. Mike, as we were talking before we started here, it's kind of a weird looking map for this time of year, isn't it?
Yeah, if you pay close attention, some things are moving west or northwest on this map. That's just how strange it is with the cutoff lows that we're seeing at the jet stream level. We'll take a look at that jet stream coming up. But right now, let's put the maps into motion. You'll notice this is the one low pressure system that's moving quickly. It's diving down the backside of a cutoff low, so it's going to move quickly through Illinois and Indiana as we head through today. So the rain will be spreading into the central Appalachians by later in the day today. Just kind of a strip of half to 1 inch rainfall amounts, with areas northeast and southwest of it not getting much at all. This system is going to kind of linger in the desert southwest. Some of the energy starts to come into the western plains as we head into the day, well, let's say tomorrow night and on into Wednesday. But all in all, we're not talking a ton of rain quite yet with it, but with a slow mover like this, we'll have to watch that as that comes eastward. How much Gulf moisture does that pick up? Heading toward tomorrow morning, then you can see some showers and thunderstorms starting to break out ahead of it. Western, northwestern Texas on into parts of the Missouri Valley. And as we head through the day tomorrow, this system is way offshore into the Atlantic. The system sitting over the Atlantic is actually moving northwestward into Maine with some showers, and this system very slowly moving into the northwestern Great Lakes with a few showers as well. So we do start to moisten this system up here. It does look like when you look at the jet stream that it'll eventually kind of fold eastward into the eastern cutoff low. So again, a very strange system, or a very strange situation, like Clinton pointed out. There's the jet stream estimate past 24 hours. Look at that narrow strip of half to 1 inch rainfall amounts heading toward the southeast over the next 36 hours. Then that moves into the central Appalachians just in a small area. Now this system does start to moisten up as we head through the day tomorrow, or let's say over the next 36 hours, and we are looking at 1 to 2 inch amounts in some areas with that. All depends on where the heavier thunderstorms hit. Still showing the snowfall map. There's not a whole lot going on, but you will notice over the next 36 hours we'll add a little bit to the highest elevations, Colorado and northern New Mexico. Taking a look at highs today into the 80s all the way up into southern Iowa, central Illinois, but it's only in the 40s around the Great Lakes. That's been the case most of the weekend and early part of this week already. Lows tonight, 60s for much of the southern portions of the Corn Belt, but you can see off to the northeast, still 30s and 40s across the Great Lakes. Highs tomorrow, more of the same, although it does try to warm up a little bit into the northern plains as well, with some 60s showing back up. Jet stream as we start the week. There's a cutoff over the northeast. Start the cutoff over the northwestern portions of Mexico, southwestern U.S. You can see how that eventually kind of folds eastward and comes into the big eastern trough by the time we head toward this weekend. But basically, we're still talking a ridge through most of the middle of the country, which is warm, and we're still talking cutoffs west and east. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Spokane, Washington, partly sunny and quite comfortable today, high of 72 degrees. Lufkin, Texas, good deal of sunshine and warm with a high of 85. And Kalamazoo, Michigan, cool with clouds and some sunshine, high around 57 degrees.